is Bhavya, 5th standard student. My school name is GLPS Gollarahatti. ಜೂನ್ 24ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಿರುವ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಫಲಗಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ A to Z, capital letter, small letter. Read and write. Vegetables RADISH, radish, carrot CARROT, tomato TOMATO, potato POTATO, potato, etc. Fruits name BANANA, banana, PAPAYA, papaya, APPLE, apple, ORANGE, orange, etc. Birds name peacock, 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 DUCK, duck, swan, 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 parrot, 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 eagle, EAGLE, etc. Domestic animals name COW, cow, SHEEP, sheep, DOG, dog, CAT, cat, GOAT, goat, etc. Wild animals name ELEPHANT, elephant, deer, 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 lion, 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 tiger, 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 etc. Flowers name rose, ROSE, lotus, 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 sunflower, SUNFLOWERS, sunflower, hibiscus, 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 marigold, 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 etc. Colors name RED, red, pink, PINK, black, 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 green, 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 blue, 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 yellow, 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 white, 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 etc. Parts of the body names head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, stomach, legs, etc.
Action
words jump,
jumping,
reading, writing, dancing, singing, swimming, etc. Opposite words remember, forget, always, never, up, down, etc. Rhyming words grey, day, beer, fear, big, pig, etc. Numbers books, pen, pens, story, stories, etc. Vowels 5 vowels. Some words read and write. ALL, all, APPLE, apple, AGG, ALL,
also,
ALSO, also, ANT, ant, etc. E,
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ.
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. INDIA ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್. INDIAN ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ONE1 ORANGE ಆರೆಂಜ್. OUT ಔಟ್. ONION ಆನಿಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಉಮೇಶ್. UMESH ಉಮಾ. UMA ಉಮಾ. ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. USEF ME ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. USEFULL ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.